Holy smokes, I got this beast over to the storage facility and we figured out it's not big enough to hold it. So they put us kind of out of the way, and we're gonna have to cut the luggage rack off the back here, and hopefully this will be a home for it for a hot minute. Here's the luggage rack. Give us another 4 feet. Just gonna leave it parked here on the side of the parking lot for now, and then in the future it'll go back in there somewhere. So, for sale, 1969 bus, just like from the movie Speed.